Drive-in racking systems are no longer strange in industrial warehouses today. Drive-in rack with heavy load capacity are an option for businesses with large warehouses to store goods, food, drinks. This is a galvanized drive-in rack project installed by Viet Mechanical for a company in the fast-moving consumer goods industry. Use the drive-in racking system to effectively store goods in large quantities, most of which are uniform in size and type. With a warehouse capacity of up to 2,000 pallets, drive-in racking system is the perfect choice for industrial warehouses. With optimal design, the warehouse height reaches 12 meters, and the load can withstand up to 1,200 kilograms. Due to the characteristics of the partner company's goods being of the same type, drive-in racking provides maximum storage efficiency by eliminating aisles between rows of shelves. With the first-in, last-out principle, goods are only taken out from one side of the shelf. Based on this rule, the warehouse manager will arrange the warehouse appropriately, consistent with the movement of goods in the warehouse. In addition, goods can be imported and exported from both ends of the shelf according to the principle of first in, first out, also known as drive-through. This warehouse racking system is designed with grooves to allow forklifts to penetrate deep inside. The storage floors are rows of rails to bring pallets up. Pallets are stacked continuously and next to each other. Galvanized drive-in rack of Viet Mechanical are one of the priority choices of many businesses and a future usage trend. With long-term use, good strength, this is the best choice for customers to use in warehouses. Viet Mechanical is the leading brand in the field of storage rack in Vietnam. With 15 years of experience in the market, our products always meet international standards, such as ISO 9001:2015, and modern production lines contribute to providing a perfect quality product. For advice on installing storage rack and answering questions about the product, please contact us immediately.